Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Bang & Olufsen BEOPLAY H4 first generation wireless Bluetooth headphones and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these headphones are not connecting to your phone or other device, or if they're not pairing with Bluetooth, or any issues like this can very often be fixed with a factory reset. The second reason you might want to do this is if for whatever reason you just want to delete all the pairing history, all the settings off of these headphones, so you can basically set them up as new headphones. This will do that, and it's very easy to do. First of all, we just want to make sure we have a decent charge on our headphones and they're turned on. And once we do that, we're just going to come in and press and hold these two buttons here, the volume up and volume down buttons. Just press and hold them simultaneously for about 10 seconds, keeping an eye on the indicator light, basically until the indicator light flashes red, and then the headphones will turn off. That means the reset is complete. You can release the buttons, and now you can just go ahead and turn them back on and set them up as though they're a brand new set of headphones.